My jungle at night, part 2. This one is called Creeping Jenny, and this pink one is a bromelade. It was kind of dying. I just repotted it yesterday. This is another bromelade. Look at how beautiful. This is called a dumb cane. These are Monstera deliciosas. I got mostly these plants. I just got these purple ones, like 4 of these ones yesterday for free. These grow wild. And then over here, this orange one. I have pink ones just like these orange ones. They look like little roses. And this is a purple flower. Oh my gosh, it doubled. It was like only one. It just doubled. And this is called a Mexican heather. And moving along to the other side. This one is, I forgot. This is going to be a yellow flower, actually. And then this is called a bird of paradise. The leaves are kind of messed up. One of the leaves like kind of broke because I was falling backwards and I grabbed into the air and I broke one of the leaves. Monstera deliciosa. And this is I forgot the name of this purple one. And these are impatiens, these pink ones. This is the avocado tree. And actually avocado, bad avocado right next to it. Right next to the avocado tree. And this is one of the purple ones I got yesterday for free. And this is where I feed the rats. Someone gave me white bread and I don't eat white bread. Especially don't eat anything called Bimbo. And these are called crotons, this yellow spotted one. Impatient. And my banana tree. I have 3 banana trees right here. I'm going to show you the little ones. This is called, forgot the name of this purple one. These are the baby banana trees. See that? 1 baby and 2 babies. And then these 2 this was marigold, the orange and the yellow marigold, and they died because they need full sun. And this is called a, what's the name of this? I forgot. And these are avocado trees. Two avocado trees growing right next to each other. Is that crazy or what? And they're like exactly the same size. And what's here? Purple flowers. Trying to hide. And then over here is my jungle tree. I mean my jungle table. You can't see till I get close. Hold on. OMG. Look at this one, is super cool. The leaves are like 3D. This little one is called a Brazilian something. I think Brazilian pothos. These, I forgot the name. These are the same ones as the white ones, same species. And this one is dying. This is a calathea. And this one doesn't look too well. This one is a wildflower that I planted from a seed. These little, I already did this. I'm not going to post it again. Thank you for watching. Bye.